What's up, wonderful people? Today we are going to explore Brooklyn Bridge Park. This is one of our favorite parks in New York City, and believe it or not, many New Yorkers don't even know about this park.
This place is the perfect place for you to hang out with your family and friends. Come on, look at the view! So today we're going to show you our favorite place to take pictures, and we also will try the food and explore the food market. So come and join us. First, I'm gonna share with you this beautiful place, the perfect place for you to take photos and pictures.
As you can see, probably around the area, it's very hard to see from the camera. You can see the Liberty statue around the area. But yeah, check this out. And it becomes more beautiful at night time. Another place that we like to let you guys know is this place here. Very nice place to take pictures. It's actually located on top of the highway. This is another place that I want to share with you guys. It's the bridge connecting us from on top of the highway to the Brooklyn Bridge Park. Check this out. Next area is this place right here. Check this out, everyone. Very good place for you to take pictures, so make sure you don't miss this place.
Brooklyn Bridge Park is also beautiful at sunset time, and now I want to share with you our favorite place to visit and to take picture.
If you have little kids, don't forget that they also have carousel here. This place is also a perfect place if you want to take your wedding picture here. Next place is called Dumbo, so make sure you come this place and don't forget to take a lot of pictures. Alright, let's check this out.
Guys, here's another section for you to check out.
Another great place for you to go is on top of their marketplace. They have a rooftop, yeah, so make sure you come here. It's on the 5th floor. You will see a lot of beautiful view here. Check this out. Wow, look at the moon. Lovely. So this is the rooftop. You can see the carousel, Brooklyn Bridge Park, and the moon. So if you're hungry, Brooklyn Beach Park does have a lot of restaurants. I'm gonna show you the marketplace and other places for you to choose. Let's go! Time Out Market, New York. So let's see what they have here. Wow, thank you, sir. Wow, looks so cool. Okay, so this is the market. They do have a lot of food here. Let's check out what they have. That's the Thai food area. Thai food, guys. You want to try Thai food? This is the Arab Latin cuisine. Oh, check this out. This is the Japanese food. See what they have here. Ooh, that ramen looks very yummy. They also have non-vegan food here. Vegetarian. If you are vegetarian, check this place out. Vegetarian. Sushi. Oh, they're closed. Donut, everyone. Whoa. Ice cream area. Cannoli bar. Bagels. Wow, more sweets. Woo. Bombay to Brooklyn. Is it Indian food? It is Indian food. Wow, check this out. Looks interesting. Oh, look at that. This is more like Italian food.
American?
American? Nice. Wow. That's the sandwich area here, guys. Look at the sandwiches. Whoa. Alright, another restaurant here. That's another restaurant here. They also have ice cream. Fulton Burger. Whoa, Chiliana's. Check this restaurant out. Juliana's, sorry, excuse me. This is the Grimaldi's Pizza. Grimaldi Pizza. And as for dinner, we eat Shake Shack Burger. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and consider to subscribe. We also have a TikTok channel. Don't forget to check that out. I see you guys in the next one. Bye.